This is Cliff Bechtel with Emerald Pools. I design and build in the Dallas, Plano, and Frisco areas. This is a pool that I designed and built for my fiance and myself. And I'd like to point out a few of the features on this pool. This is state-of-the-art. It has an OmniLogic remote control that, as I'll show you momentarily, can be controlled via smartphone. I'm going to show you how to activate the spa on my pad that I've got here. You could also put it on your desktop. You're simply downloading the app and it controls everything. It has the ability to pre-program where you can have light shows, the spa come on at a certain time, different water features on the pool like these deck jets that you see right here on the side. All that is controlled via the OmniLogic system. The pool here is Wi-Fi'd also, so I told you I had my pad out here. I'm going to turn the spa on for you in a moment just so you can see what the app looks like on whatever particular type of product you want to use it with. And we'll turn the spa on from a remote location right here, but once again we're Wi-Fi'd, so I have no problems using the pad out here. Now, something that I did on this pool intentionally, the main reason is because my fiance liked these colors and textures, but my last pool was about 3,000 square feet of white limestone, and it looked nice and it was comfortable, but I want to make sure you know that there are a variety of different products that you can use on your pool. And what I wanted to do here was try and do something that had some distinctiveness to it. This is an East Indian rainbow flagstone coping that you see, and instead of turning this whole deck into a large stone deck, which when you work with darker colors you'll find that it's going to be warm, what I've done is used a textured acrylic finish. This happens to be a cloud white, and then we have inlaid recessed mosaic stone around the pool and in the deck area, as you see. Somewhat labor intensive. I don't know if anybody else uses this particular technique, but I find it's a way to have a very comfortable, family friendly, and in my case feet friendly deck that that still has some uniqueness to it and a high quality look. The East Indian Rainbow Limestone I had to bring in, but I do have a couple of sources for this product. And then we've got a lot of product that you'll see on the site that is more indigenous to our area. Some of the Oklahoma flag, some of the limestone, but there are a variety of ways you can finish a product. This is simply a way that I thought was very interesting visually, but also very comfortable and, as I said, foot friendly. One other thing I want to point out on this pool is you can see in the deep end that I have a cleaner in there. Now, this is the first time that I can recall that I purposely left the cleaner in and operating on a video or a still picture, but this is really a product that you're going to enjoy having. It's an Aquavac 500, and it's a robot, which means it operates independently from the pool. So where most systems that are designed to do a efficient job cleaning leaves, etc., and I've used some of these systems, require a booster pump, which takes a lot of electricity to operate. You tend to operate those systems more often time-wise, because they don't have the capacity this one does to hold leaves and sticks and debris. This actually operates off of a low voltage electric motor and can operate when the pool is not running, but it also climbs the walls. It has these rubber cylinders on the bottom that actually rotate and clean the floor, the walls, and the tile. I'll keep it on here for a little while I'm talking, and you may see it climb the wall, or you may see it hang around the steps for a little while. It's going to do whatever it wants to do. They operate on 3-hour cycles. I tend to run mine about every other day, and I think you can see just how nice the pool looks. Now, one other thing I want to do is go over here, and I'm going to turn on my pad, and I'm going to let you see as best we can. There you go. You see that says filter and on right there, filter on. That is the pool. And I'm going to go over here to the spa, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the spa filter on and turn it on high because we want the jets to activate. And then I'm going back over to the pool, and you're going to see that the remote will talk to the system. It just turned off the deck jets. That means the pump for the spa is coming on. Actually, it all works off of one pump. And that's an air induction system, so you've got no blower, no motors that you need to operate. I think you see just how much velocity those jets have. So you're able to operate the spa with a minimum amount of electronic equipment and controls, and the simpler the system is, the more you're going to appreciate it. Also, I've noticed since I put this on, Hayward sends updates whenever they've got an upgrade for the system, and that's nice because 5-10 years from now your system will still be state of the art, because they send the upgrades and you just download them onto the system like you would an upgrade for a phone or your computer. So that gives you an idea of what you can do, the kind of options that you have. I've been in the business for 44 years this year. I've operated Emerald Pools for 20 years continuously. I'm an A-rated company, and I handle all the design and supervision of construction myself. So I hope to get a phone call from you, and I would love to design a pool for you. And I also want to make sure that architects and landscape designers understand that I am very comfortable working with architects' designs, and I am able to translate technically, what the architect is trying to accomplish visually. So if there are any architects out there that are looking for a contractor that they can count on being able to produce the product that they've designed and produce it in an expeditious way that makes the client happy, I'd like you to give me a call also. Once again, Cliff Bechtel with Emerald Pools. Thanks for your time.